Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang.
If you don't wash your hair regularly, tiny animals called demonics can live in your scalp. These tiny animals can eat the dirt, oil, and dead skin on your scalp. The less you wash, the more they will multiply. That's why keeping your scalp clean is very important. Now, washing your hair regularly will not only get rid of the dirt, dust, and fungus, but it'll get rid of these tiny animals. Now, if you guys want to know how often you should wash your hair, leave a comment below.
Tecnologia!
Come, start the car. Did you see the yellow fault light? If it lights up, stop the car quickly. Save your life first. This malfunction light is called the engine malfunction light. If it lights up, you take your car to a repair shop. They will scam you out of thousands of dollars. Today, I'll teach you a solution that doesn't cost a penny. Come here. In the forward cabin, find the battery. The plus sign represents the positive pole. The minus sign represents the negative pole. On the negative side, there is a screw. Then find a size 10 wrench. Let's loosen it first. Okay, then remove the top connector. Wait 5 seconds. Okay, next, install it back again. Tighten the screws. Okay, next. I'll get in the car and start it to try. See if the fault light disappears. If it disappears, guys, remember to give me a like. Support it. Let's go. Start up. Look carefully. The fault light disappeared. The problem has been completely solved. Have you learned it? Follow me. There are 1,000 more car knowledge on the homepage.
Paano daw ba gamitin itong coin organizer na ito?
Okay, bariya po ako. Ayun. Ay, ganda lang nilagay niyo. Ang galing mo.
Ginawa namin tong coin organizer na to para madali na lang makakuha ng coins kapag magbabayad ka. Yung mga coins kasi natin medyo nakakalito dahil magkakamukha sila. Tignan mo to. Magkakamukha yung piso, yung bagong 5, bagong 10, at saka yung 25 cents. Paano kung malabo yung mata mo at lalo na kung senior citizen ka? Kaya itong ginawa namin, pwede mong ilagay ito sa loob ng iyong bag, tapos organize na yung barya mo. Hindi na nakakalat, ang dali pang kumuha ng pera. Ang kinaganda nitong design namin, pwede yung bago at lumang 10 piso, 5 at saka yung sa piso. At ang total na malalagay dito ay 261 pesos. Sa iba kasi bago lang yung kayang ilagay at saka konti lang yung pwedeng ilagay. At madali lang siyang isara at sure na hindi mahuhulog yung coins kahit isa na lang yung natitira. Ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo na hindi talaga siya mahuhulog kahit ibato ko pa siya. Available ito sa maraming colors, perfect pang regalo at pang giveaway. At soon ay pwede nang magpalagay ng pangalan.
Americans use foam boards to insulate their homes. They stick one foam panel at a time on the walls, almost like assembling a giant puzzle. But it's not just for looks, especially in cold regions. Winter can be harsh, and these boards keep the house warm. Once the panels are in place, cold air can't sneak in. It also cuts energy bills, reducing winter heating costs by 30% to 50%. Plus, this system lasts 25 to 40 years with almost no maintenance. The benefits don't stop there. Foam boards block street noise, protect walls from cracking due to temperature changes, and even boost the home's energy rating. Almost every American household uses them. There are different materials. EPS foam is lightweight and cheap, XPS is denser and waterproof, and mineral wool is fireproof and great for soundproofing. Boards usually range from 2 to 6 inches thick, and thicker panels mean better insulation. Once plaster and paint go on, you'd never guess foam is hidden inside the walls. This is how Americans make homes warmer and quieter, energy efficient, quiet and effective. 3 benefits in
Ang
one.
iyong My Number card sa iyong bank account? Kailangan mo to para matanggap mong ayuda once na ma-approve na sa diet. Ngayon, I'll teach you kung paano i-link ang My Number card sa bank account mo using your smartphone para direct na pumasok ang ayuda sa iyong bank account. I-download mo ang My Na Portal app. Click Login to My Na Portal, then input your My Number PIN. I-scan ang My Number card using your phone. Click Next, then open My Na Portal. I-check mo lang ito, then click the buttons to proceed. Dito, isusulat mo lang email address para makatanggap ka ng code. Input the code mula sa iyong email. Then confirm. Click Hajimeru. Scroll down, then choose Okane. Choose Cooking Okitori Koza. Dito, sisimulan mo lang i-input ang bank details. I-confirm ang iyong name pati ang spelling in katakana. Piliin ang iyong bank name, halimbawa YouTube Bank. Step 3, i-input ang bank details and contact number. Step 4, i-confirm ang mga detalye. Kailangan ulit i-scan ang iyong My Number card. I-check mo lang ito, then click to proceed. Then complete na ang iyong registration. Madali lang, diba? Ready ka na ba tumanggap ng ayuda? I-share mo na ang video na to and follow our page for more updates tungkol sa ayuda.
Worthy of abundance, I open the door. Money loves me and it comes more and more. I attract prosperity, it's my money needs me, money wants me.